Hello guys, Game Changers back again. I had to bring this video out to you as soon as possible because it is a free movies app that is currently on the App Store for you to download now. So let's get into the video. So guys, as I said, this is a new movies app that is on the App Store for absolutely free. It is pretty good. It does play all the new movies. It also has the new Hellboy on, as you'll see me play in this video. They do make out that it is only trailers. They'll ask you to go to this website. It'll be a pop-up. You'll see it happen now. But yeah, you want to put movie show just in your search bar, and then you want to download this app. It's the first one that pops up. My thumbprint didn't seem to want to work here. It was a bit strange, and the third time it seemed to work. I just kept taking my thumb off and back on. But anyway, yeah, it's a really good app. It has pretty much all the new movies and stuff on here. So as you can see, it is downloading now. You want to just tap on the app after it's downloaded. Obviously, this will not get revoked. So it is an alternative to Bobby Movies / Koto Movies, or whatever you guys want to call it these days. But other than that, as you can see at the top, there is like a carousel that will rotate on its own, but you can screen through it. This is what I was on about the pop-up. Just tap no thanks, because you can get all the movies that are available on this app. So as you can see, there is Hellboy there. It has a 3-star rating because obviously the recording ain't going to be the best at the moment, as it is a brand new video out, but they will update them and they will get better recordings for that. This was found by I believe it was iDeviceHelp. I believe he found it, but as you can see, I've just loaded up the movie. It's got the full time and it does work. As I said to you guys, this is an amazing app. I do advise downloading it as soon as you can, before Apple does remove it from the App Store. As you know, they are revoking everything that is available at the moment, so this is a rare opportunity to get a movies app for free. Also guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.